Yo, yo, what's poppin'? Just gonna do a little trade breakdown, break even day. Um, yeah. Anyway, I'll just break it down for you. So everything for me starts on the weekly. Weekly still bullish. Potential of reversal, but again, we need to close swing points. So for me, everything's still bullish. Daily, still bullish. We do have a small daily range, so we could see potential retracement as we've just been seeing continuous up movement. So I'd be using the 4 hour and the 1 hour to give me insight on this daily candle if we will retrace or expand. 4 hour, we had this consolidation and we wicked and closed below the high, right? So my immediate thought seeing this is a 4 hour retracement back to the low of this consolidation. And yes, that was my initial wick retracement. I'd want to see 1 hour support that through phase of price. So I'd be looking at 1 hour to see if we're supportive of higher or lower, and then, try and get in line. So 1 hour was bullish as our order flow was here. Hold up. Our order flow was here as swing formation, push price into external liquidity. This is our order flow, right? Down closed candles, push out into external liquidity. So orders in here, order flow. Dope. Now, in order for me to believe that price is going to retrace on the 4 hour to reach the low of this 4 hour consolidation, I would need to see a 1 hour reversal. So until that occurs, I'm still bullish on the 1 hour until I reach this liquidity. Now, I did think liquidity was going to be reached first on NQ as as price is the higher low with the wicks within order flow. So for me, this is like be considered strength switching. Um, right here, either one of these candles, right? Bop, bop, bop. Right, C2, C3, 7, 8 a.m. C4. And I was looking for a 1 hour low to form and then price to expand out into external liquidity. And again, I was looking for NQ as we are the strength switching pair. So I was looking for this. Now, what did occur, I did make a mistake and then caught my mistake and broke, like closed my trade at break even is in this 9 a.m. candle, we see I so this is 925, this candle here, and this is 930, right? We've already come below the previous hourly candle's low on YM, so we're forming a C2C, and on this 930 candle, we come below this low, so potential for forming a C2C. Now, we reached liquidity on the lagging pair, our target liquidity, which is like super fishy behavior within the market. Usually we'll see a lot of manipulation in relationship to this. And I only noticed that like that this, I have it written down my plan. I just totally fucking blanked. But basically I traded this 930 candle as it closed. We shifted 5 minute order flow, which was right here. We shifted it here. And yeah, we didn't shift it here. So I traded this and I put my stop below the low here. And then I exited in this candle, realizing that this should not be happening and these are actually improbable conditions. So I'll just show you. So definitely a score. So I entered in the open or the close of this candle, open of this candle, and ended up closing in this candle before it dumped, and I would have been stopped out. So that was kind of a mistake. I am looking for lower prices. Now that we've reached this consolidation, I think I'm just going to leave the day as Thursday before NFP and get like, what the fuck, There's no real liquidity targets. Um, so yeah, I think I could have, if I was more aware of this element, noticed this manipulation aspect, and then been trading this at 9:35 close lower into this 4 hour as this was the shift in 5 minute order flow here. So this was my only, I think, improvement on the day is the close of this candle, selling this, putting my stop loss above the high of this order block and looking for 2 to 1 into this. I don't even think we'd be hit 2 to 1 yet. Ah, into this like 4 hour consolidation. So we'll see if it does reach, but ultimately it doesn't matter because I'm not in the trade. And yeah, so that was my trade. That was my learning. That was my quick realizing what's going on. And as we see after price did reach this liquidity target first on the lagger, we kind of have some goofy price action, a lot of search and destroy sort of elements. And now we have reached it on majority. So anyway, I'm gonna leave it for the day and wait for NFP tomorrow. I'll be on for 9. And yeah, hope you had a good day. And yeah, hopefully it was insightful. Peace.